Guys, Hawaii is so beautiful, but it's so hot. Everything or everything sandwich, bagel, and then matcha latte. The line here is ridiculous. But I explain. I wanna know
I was trying to explain that to you.
I'm just the girl who likes matcha.
Let me see what we see here.
Cheers.
So me and Paul are sharing a bagel because we need to maintain our tummies for the swimwear. So we got a bagel, everything bagel with egg, sausage, tomato.
Yeah.
This is so good. I never get sausage. Only for a couple days and then conference. I'm sorry.
Anywhere you go, they're like, oh yeah, your flight attendant.
Oh, Monk. You are lying to me right now.
No, you look great.
It's like raining. It's molten rock.
I don't know if I could ever go and deal with molten rock like that. That was so great.
Then I put it here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at
Oh,
that.
a little further back.
Piece.
A little farther back. Boom. Right there. Oh, honey. How's that feel? Too tight?
It's perfect.
So, you put it in, you'll bite the little teeth grits right there, right? In and out, you're going to sound like Darth Vader the whole time you're snorkeling.
Like,
Yep. Just like that.
I can't breathe.
Can't breathe. Yeah.
So what do
Just
I
like
do?
that.
Put this in my mouth?
And then in and out.
What is your Steel.
Heck yeah. You can't breathe? Too tight?
I have the order.
Too tight or you can't breathe?
And it's too hard. Just so you know, you need to make
Too
I'm
tight?
about to die. Did I put it in right?
Yeah, put it in right. Let's try a different mask. Try this one.
Can you breathe?
I know it always looks like it.
Baby, don't you want to try?
You had placed an order for
I felt like I couldn't breathe.
one
No
umbrella.
worries. Well, it's going to feel a little different, right? Because you're going in and out through your tube.
And that's all.
Wait, let me try this one again before I make that one.
Yeah, you don't even have to put the mask on. You just got to put it here.
I don't think so.
However, sometimes that will happen. So if water does go in your tube while you're snorkeling, just remember, and it'll blow out the bottom. Until you're about belly button deep. When you get belly button deep, just drop down a little bit and have this right outside the water and just practice in and out.
Like you would do great.
And are you excited to snorkel?
Yes! Welcome to the party of snorkeling. I'm so happy. And it's very nice and hot.
Honestly. I won't for why tennis without us. It's a cup. Apparently you have to pray.
Why? You're just yanking us.
It's like it's usually women that talk too much. Zach takes the cup.
I'm pretty sure you guys have been talking the most. I just been complaining.
Oh my god,
You guys are a
no.
pain in the ass. That's a pain in the ass. We're not friends anymore.
And sometimes I even get a headache just from Zach complaining. Where's the person that was snorkeling? Oh, there they are. Mpo said she's going to the guy to make friends. Hi, but she said I'm coming to you, and then the guy was like, "Hi, but baby, look at Mo." It was funny, and the guy was like, "You're coming to me?" And she said, "Yes, honey." Yeah. Exactly.
That's how scientific gets people.
So we're gonna have the summer club, and they say it's $2 for $12. It has pineapple, passion fruit, and sparkling wine.
The fruits are officially open. Thank you.
I had the chicken, but the chicken I didn't like it. I got it the last time. So I'll just get 3. I wish I was that. Do you like it?
It's so good.
Ne?
Where we stay. Yeah, I almost fell, guys. Pretty girl rock, pretty girl. Honeys, so we are about to go to the mall behind content creation, honey. Berega Mbasari Berega. Yes, Sangi. She looks scrumptious as always. One thing about us, all the time.
Put this on behind me. So yeah. This is the fancy part of Maui.
Not really, but in this area, this is the richy fancy place.
We are just gorgeous girls.
Gorgeous girls.
Bahle, guys. One thing about us, you can't tell us nothing. Fuck it. That's one thing. Ooh, Sangi. What are the sunglasses? How did it? Orange. It's in Morowane. What the?
Like, if you're not in Hawaii in December, what
Then
are you
where
doing?
are you? Where you at?
Because you cannot be tolerating the winter in America.
bit of that.